Hi there, I'm Santina with WTI, and I want to tell you about this amazing Gaggia Anima class espresso machine. I love how many options there are with this machine. You've got your basic coffees, your espresso lungo, your cappuccino, latte macchiato, but in addition, there's so many other options. Here, with this aroma strength, you can actually choose how strong you want your coffee. And with this menu over here, you have different drink options. So if you just want hot water today for a nice cup of tea, you can have it. And that comes out of a separate fountain, so you don't have to worry about it mixing with your coffee flavor. This machine grinds its own beans too. How cool is that? Up here in this compartment, you can see where you can keep your whole coffee beans, and it will grind for you. This machine is beautiful. It's not too big. It fits really nicely in a home kitchen, and as you can see, it looks beautiful in this coffee area. I highly recommend this, and that is my point of view.